Kambal. Ayun, mamaya na kita i-create kasi introduction pa lang to ng video. So today is January 31, Chinese New Year. I made this video para may remembrance naman tayo sa ating anniversary, and I know na mag-abroad ka, alis ka, para din may maalala ka para sa atin at may ginagawa kang katuwaan. So ayun, naisip ko ngayon July 31 nga na gawa ko ng ganitong video kung paano ko i-prepare yung anniversary natin. So I think in the middle of January na nung naisip ko na nag-iisip ako kung paano kita i-surprise, kasi nga diba gusto mo ng surprises. Then sa kakaisip ko wala akong naisip. Ayun, tinext ko yung mga kaibigan natin, sina Debs, Jeb, Det, and Jess, at saka mga barkada ko. Kumuha ko ng idea sa kanila. Then ayun, nagustuhan ko yung konti yung kay Debs. Medyo may pinalitan lang ako sa mga naisip ko. So ayun, January 30, pumunta ako ng SM, binili ko ng gatas at mga diapers si Iya. Pumunta na rin ako ng SM, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pumunta ako ng National Bookstore. Ayun, nakabili ako ng scrapbook. Book pa lang, wala pa design, no? Then, favorite color mo, blue. Ano pa lang, letters pa lang. Ayun, yung dalaw pa lang yung nabili ko. Wala pa akong naisip na design. Alam, pagsubok sa akin to kasi wala akong art. And then, pero gagawin ko yan. Hope ma-appreciate mo sana. Ayun, first video. Next time na lang iba pag may balita na sa akin. Bye bye. Hey, February 1, 2014, our 11th monthsary. So nasa Baguio ka pa, kaya parang di kita makakasama, kaya wala akong ginagawa. So nag-research ako kung paano gumawa ng scrapbook, and kumuha din ako ng mga ideas sa computer para di ako masyadong mahirapan. Then mga pictures and memories natin kinuha ko na, para naglalagay na lang mga pictures. Nakausap ko sina Justin, Nico, and Ethel kagabi. Libre daw yung print kay Ethel, kaya ayun. Hello, December 17, galing ako sa inyo. Kinuha ko yung iPhone kasi pinagawa kay Juday yung mga video. Pinakuha ko kina tita, kaya Kuya Tantan Jansan. Tol, salamat. Then 2 weeks to go, anniversary na natin. So konting mga tao na lang yung i-video. Then yung sa scrapbook, ayan. Tenet. Ops, wag muna. Tapos konti pa lang nakumpasan ko dito. Nag-isip pa ako ng plano. Yun, 2 weeks to go, kaya ko to. Okay, 7 days to go, anniversary na natin. So medyo wala pa akong natatapos, pero yung video medyo kompleto na. Pamili ko na lang yung kulang, bukas na yon. Then scrapbook, konting-konti pa, hirap, makakayanin yan. Ayan, stop muna ako. Nag-iaya ka mag-Skype, istorbo mo ako yan kasi ito natapos. Okay na yun, pahinga muna ako, bis makikita naman kita. Ayan, 7 days. I need help by someone. Kaya hanap akong makakatulong sa akin. Yan, it's 1 o'clock. I think 1:30 in the morning. Grabe, nahirapan ako sa pag-convert ng mga videos. Trial and error yung ginawa ko. Daming converter na ginamit ko. Yung iba mali-mali. Kaya medyo namumblema ako ngayon. Malapit na kasi. I think 3 days to go. It's time. Tapos ayan, maya matutulog na lang ako.
She calls me baby, then she won't call me. Says she adores me and then ignores me. Jenny, what's the problem? She keeps her distance and sits on fences, puts up resistance and builds defenses. Jenny, what's the problem? You leave me hanging on the line every time you change your mind. First you say you won't, then you say you will. You keep me hanging on, and we're not moving on. I'm standing still, Jenny. You got me on my knees, Jenny. It's killing me. She needs her own space. She's playing mind games. Ends up in my place, saying that she's changed. Jenny, what's the problem? I'm trying to read between the lines. You got me going out of my mind. First you say you won't, then you say you will. You keep me hanging on, and we're not moving on. Or standing still, Jenny. You got me on my knees, Jenny. It's killing me. It's killing me. It's killing me. Jenny. First you say you won't, then you say you will. You keep me hanging on, and we're not moving on. Oh, standing still, Jenny. You got me on my knees, Jenny. First you say you won't, then you say you will. You keep me hanging on, and we're not moving on. Oh, standing still, Jenny. You got me on my knees, Jenny. It's killing me. It's killing me, Jenny.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. The dawn is breaking, a light shining through. You're barely waking, and I'm tangled up in you. Yeah. I'm open, you're closed. Where I follow, you'll go. I worry I won't see your face light up again. Even the best fall down sometime. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills my mind, I'll somehow find you and I collide. I'm quiet, you know. You make a first impression, but I've found I'm scared to know I'm always on your mind. Even the best fall down sometime. Even the stars refuse to shine. Out of the back you fall in time. You somehow find you and I collide. Don't stop here. I lost my place. I'm close behind. Fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills your mind, you finally find you and I.
Another surprise ko sa'yo. There are some people who want to greet us. Watch this.
Jen! Hello, Tita Jen! Hello, Tita Jen! Happy anniversary!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday tuloy. Yan. Oh, tita, happy anniversary, tita. Tita Jen, happy anniversary. From Priya. Oh, tita. Oh, tawag mo tita. Hello, tita. Sabihin, dali. Tito.
Brads. Hi, Jen. Happy anniversary. May your relationship be blessed with love, joy, and companionship for all the years of your lives. Stay happy and in love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Jen, hello! Hello, Tita Jen!
Jen, ano pa? Oh. Oh. Ano?
Tita Jen. Tita Jen daw. Tita Jen.
Jen, Jemar, happy anniversary kay kayo. Sana alang magbayo. Balo yun naman, lagi ko mga tsukeni para kay kayo. Happy anniversary, I love you.
Oh, happy birthday kayo nga doon. Happy anniversary. Mimingat kayo lagi. God bless na kayo. Sana lumbat kayo po. Pares kayong magbayo. Jenny pala magbayo. Oh, happy anniversary na pasibay kayo. Minumta na. Okay, God bless.
Jen, happy anniversary kayo. Sana kayo magbayo, tsaka sana lumbat kayo po. Tsaka sana nung ating mandatang problema kayo, sana salese yung agad. Tsaka tanin mo! Happy anniversary pa si Bayo.
Hello! Happy anniversary! Stay strong and take care. God bless. I love you, bot.
Ika na.
Hello, te. Hello, medyo. Happy anniversary. Sana mag-lot kayo palalo. Ingat kayo lagi. Ipanit din din. Ingat ka na ganap pagsubok. Lupak yung aming July. Stay strong. Happy anniversary.
Hi Jen, hi Jamar, happy first anniversary. Wish ko ka sana maging okay in relasyon niyo, sana magkaluwat kayo pa, and if ating problem datang, make sure na pisabi niyong maayos para maiwasan niyo pang maluwat at itagal. Okay, happy first anniversary ulit. Bye-bye!
Hi, Lox! Hi, Jamar! Happy anniversary! Naka 1 year na kayo. Sana lalo kayo pang may kalubot at maging matatag. O ikaw mo, sana maging ikayo na forever. Happy anniversary!
Hi, Logs! Hi, Jamar! Happy anniversary! Sana lagi kayong masaya, tsaka sana kauli ko kayo pa rin ulit. Basta't bawal kong kauli ko. Bye-bye! I love you both!
Happy anniversary, Tita Jenny, Papa Jamar. Bye-bye!
Happy first anniversary! We love you!
First anniversary, Chams and Jemar. Stay in love, stay strong, and stay forever. Nan pa ba? Respect each other, love each other, and trust each other. So ita mo, I love you both.
Happy first anniversary, Chams and Jemar. No matter what happened, stay in love to each other, stay committed. Ganan kung challenge yung pagharapan nyo, you can fight for it. Sabi natin, love conquers all. I love you both.
Hi, Pam! Hi, Dean! Hi, Ted! Hi, Viven! Happy anniversary! Stay strong! God bless! Walk, walk, Hi, Dick! Yeah, boy, yeah, girl! March 1, diba? Hindi mo ating March 1. Ating coaching! Dako! Wala, no? Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary dito pinakasisin ko. Oh, may effort si Jerboy. Ay, sa sweet na talaga may invite na ako. Ay, salamat. Sabi ko sa luguran lang. Hindi ko na si Gemma. Kaya ako, putang kayo na ko. Kaya gawa ko na. Hi, Mark! Bye-bye! Happy anniversary! Stay strong. God bless! Baby, happy anniversary, Gemma! Ingatan niyo palagi, Jenny. I'm happy for you kasi next to go. Let's see them! Ay, happy anniversary kay ayaw ng Gemma. Anak ba sa ganyan speechless? Kasi sila ginungan Jenna. Basta, ikay mo pa kayo. Bye-bye! Happy anniversary. Sana magkaluan ka lo. Hindi kayo makyat.
Hello! Happy anniversary! Sana naman kayo pala. Good luck!
Anniversary, baby. Stay strong.
Sana ngayong 18 ka na, maging masaya ka sa... Debo ba pala?
Anniversary to.
Anniversary. Happy 7th monthsary.
Anniversary, hindi 7th.
Ay, anniversary. Happy anniversary. Sana maging... tsaka yung nakarang ano, tsaka yun, sana lahat mo naman. Meron mo.
Dali lang.
Uy, per minute yung bayad niyan eh.
Ano kasi to?
Dan, mataman.
Anniversary, pre.
Anniversary. Ay, ate. Ate, kuya, mami, dade. Happy anniversary.
Tandaan niyo yung pagsubok at daratang kaya kayo, yan ang magpakatatag kayong relasyon niyo. Salamat kasi lagi kayong asukan parang anak ko. And lagi kayong bibingan.
Happy anniversary, pare. Kaya naman mo, Jenny. Balo kaluwaran mo ni Jenny, pare, pero balo mas kaluwaran mo ni Jenny. O, tagal mo kasi pare, balo ko. Gagawan mo yun dahil sobrang may kaluwaran eh. Sana lalo kong maglambat and may paboran pare, balo na kaya. Kaluwaran mo yan talaga pare. Pero yung totoo na yan, kaluwaran mo. Hanggang ulit sabi ako pare, pero good luck kayo yung madwa. God bless both of you and sana maglambat ko. Happy anniversary, pare.
Hello, Jemar. Hello, BFF. Happy anniversary. Sana yung pangarap yung matupad. Tsaka masaya ako para kaya kayo. Basta lagi kayong kahit basta. Masaya ako para kaya kayo. Keep up the relationship strong.
Ay, putang ina. Bonching chang, ching chang.
Pre, Tagalog.
Chinese yan eh. Sorry, Chinese. Sorry, Chinese eh.
Alam nyo, happy anniversary. Okay. Nakalimutan ko pala sabihin ka na. Alam mo, Kimberly. Sino ba to?
Jenny, tapos
Sorry. Para kay Jenny pala to. Yun lang. Nakalimutan kong bagitin yung pangalan. Kala ko yung isa.
Hello, Kimberly. Ay,
Jenny.
Tapos na pala yung anniversary nila, Kimberly. Jenny. Happy anniversary. Alam ko, swerte ka kay Gemma.
Be happy.
Tsaka yun lang. More power, super power.
Ikaw, Jenny.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy first anniversary, Jemar and Jenny. Congrats! Wish you all the best! Sana magtagal pa kayo from Brujas! Yay!
Brujas!
Ilang beses nang nag-away hanggang sa magkasakitan, di man lamang pinagmulan. Pati maliliit na bagay na na napag-uusapan, bigla na lang pinag-aawayan. Ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw lang ang gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako, sinisipan na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Gusto kong makasama, walang iba. Walang iba. Nagsimula sa mga asaran hanggang sa magkahiritan, isang eksenang bangayan na naman. Bakit pinagpipilitan ang hindi maintindihan? Hindi naman kinakailangan, ngunit kahit na ganito, madalas na di tayo magkasundo. Ikaw lang ang gusto kong makapiling sa buong buhay ko. Kahit na binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasampal mo ako, sinisipan na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Ang gusto kong makasama, walang iba. Kahit na binabato mo ko ng kung ano-ano, ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko. Kahit na sinasaktan mo ako, sinisipan na susugatan mo, ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Ang gusto kong makasama, huwag ka nang mawawala. Walang iba. Walang iba.
Hello, Kambal. J2, Mrs. Matsura, and Jenny ng buhay ko. It's been a year. Kabilis yung panahon happy anniversary. Or let's say, I think almost 2 years na natin magkakilala. 2 years din magkakilala. Dan muna itang pantunan ko palang Miss Right Girl. Siya pala kilele ako. Napamang karakali na ba sa girls? Pero lala palang binatbat kaya ka. Pero balo mo, nung naging tayo, dun ko palang nalaman yung salitang destiny. Or let's say, dun palang ako naniwala. Kala ko di totoo yun. So ayan, I'm looking forward for many anniversaries to come, or let's say forever, sana walang mangiiwan. Tsaka yung mga problema natin, problema lang yan, kaya nating solusyonan basta magkasama tayo, okay? At sabihin ko sa'yo, hindi solusyon yung breakup, kaya never mong gagawin yon, okay? So ayan, lapit natin tayo mag-graduate. Sana wala magbabago. Let's be ready to our future, and tulong muna tayo sa mga family natin. No matter what happen, we can do this, kambal. Basta magkasama tayo. Nandito lang ako para sa'yo, at alam ko nandyan ka lang para sa akin. Salamat sa palaging nandyan, pag-antabay sa akin, at salamat sa lahat. So, happy anniversary, kambal. I hope you enjoyed this day. Sa mga surprises, sana nagustuhan mo lahat, and sana hindi napaiyak kita. Tears of joy, let's say. So ayan, happy anniversary again. Nagustuhan mo sana yung mga simpleng gift ko sa'yo na galing dito yan, no? Yan. So, I love you, kambal. I will always do. I really do. Thank you for everything. I love you.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plan today. It's short. It cannot wait. I'm yours. No, I'm
listen to the music of the moment, come and dance with me. No more, no more. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm sure no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Well, look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment, come and dance with me. I'm happy family. It's our God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment, come and dance with me. I love peaceful melodies. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything. Yeah, yeah. So la 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 la. So la 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 la.